Hey guys, Christian here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna install some new kidney grills. So I've bought these double-lined gloss black M4 look kidney grills, and they look quite awesome. So I'm very excited to put them on. So because the ones I have on now, they are matte black single lined, and they don't fit quite properly. They move around like this because I think they are from a coupe. I'm not sure, but these ones will fit properly. So but before we do that, let's wash the car first, and then let's get into the video. So this is what I'm talking about. When I remove the hood, you see this falls apart. It doesn't sit there properly at all. So we're gonna take them out. Normally you will take all these clips off to pop it off, like so. But because mine is not fitting right, I can just pull it off. Like, maybe not. Oh yeah, I get. So these clips right there, you see one up here, one down here. Normally they need to be big enough to get around the middle, but they aren't. So just pull it off like that. And it should come straight out. This top one right there, stuck. So I need two hands for this. So to pop the new ones in, just take it over the hole. Like so, and literally just push it in. Oh, right. Then you can just push it into place, just like so.